Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you delicious and authentic recipes from around the world. Today, we are going to show you how to make a traditional Mexican dish called huitlacoche. To make this dish, you will need 2 cups of fresh huitlacoche, or canned if fresh is not available, 1/2 onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, corn tortillas, and queso fresco, fresh cheese. For topping, optional. 1. To start, clean the huitlacoche by gently removing the fungus from the corn cob. 2. Discarding any hard or brown parts if using fresh. 3. If using canned, drain and rinse well. 4. In a pan, heat the oil over medium heat. 5. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until translucent. 6. Add the huitlacoche to the pan and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it has released its moisture and turned dark in color. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve the huitlacoche on warm corn tortillas, topped with crumbled queso fresco, if desired. And there you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for huitlacoche. This savory fungus is a unique ingredient that adds a rich and earthy flavor to any dish. We hope you enjoy this recipe and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.